Got in a house? Full rehab? Recognize yourself or talk to your plumber and do not miss on this potential small earning. In older houses we investors trying to renovate, the copper was often used for water lines. Now, PEX piping is almost standard and universally installed in remodels and flips. But if you have copper lines in the project you're rehabbing, ask your plumber to save them. They don't even have to be clean. Find metal recycling center in your location, but call them before. In my state of South Carolina, you need to get over-the-counter permit from courthouse to sell non-ferrous metals. Not sure what they check, but I'm out-of-state investor and got it easy by saying I own real estate in the area. Then you go to recycling center where they're gonna weigh your copper pipes and give you a check. The rate depends on condition of your scrap. For my nasty and corroded copper line servicing small 700 square feet 2-bedroom 1-bath, I received $104 check. Not bad, right? Imagine you have bigger house. Don't skip on extra money.